This for them cats in the burbs. You know, we ain't from the city, nope, but we got our style from the city. Yeah. Big up to the Wendy. Chi-town. Hip hop. Let's go. Man, it's cold up there. So cold.
Do you wanna be an MC? Do you wanna serve? Do you wanna be dope?
We be writing in the twilight, dreaming of the limelight, rearranging lines, just trying to get the rhymes right. Passing on the game, I can catch up with the highlights. Wrote so many pages that I almost lost my eyesight. While others tried to get laid, I was trying to find mics. In hindsight, that's how an MC always gets his mind right. I'm cold like a Klondike, the ice cream your mom like. Cold like the war that happens right before the bomb fight. It's not what it appears like, things ain't what they seem to be. I ain't even here, cause ain't nobody seeing me. On your hands and knees now, praying to your deity. So many punchlines, you'd think there was 3 of me. I just wanna take a trip, surround myself in greenery, hop up on my Google Doc and write about the scenery. Even if there's a bunch of them and only one of me, I'ma get it started like that boat down in Montgomery.
I got my style from the burbs of Chicago. It's been a while since the burbs of Chicago. We all know it gets cold in Chicago. That's why we don't go to Chicago.
Do you wanna be an MC? Do you wanna serve? Do you wanna
Come on.
be dope?
Homie, I ain't ever trying to lose when I grab the mic. Some call it attitude.